Morning students, today I'm gonna teach 6th maths, 3rd chapter, playing with numbers, continuation of the previous video. Prime numbers. What do you mean by prime numbers? The numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. So what it means is you have to ignore 1, so except 1. So don't take 1, so except 1, the other numbers which has only 2 factors, you should have that number should have only 2 factors, that is 1, it should be an 1. For example, if you take one example, 2, so what are the factors of 2? 1 factors means what? Which is divisible, right? I have told in my previous video what is factors and all. So 1 and 2 only, right? Factors of 2 is what? 1 and 2. So how many factors are there? Only 2 factors are there. And what are the factors? 1 is 1 and the number itself, that only they have said. So you should have, for that number you should have only 2 factors, that is one should be 1 itself and the other should be which number you have taken, that itself. Same here, see here, one factor is 1 itself and the other factor is the given number which you have taken, that only. So if you have only two factors, then it is called prime number. So here for 2 only 2 factors are there, so this is a 2 is a prime number. Let me take 3. How many factors are there? So 3 is divisible by 1 and 3, then other thing it is not divisible, right? So only 2 factors, so this is a prime number. Then let me take 4. So 4 in which and all it is divisible? 1 is 1, then it is divisible by 2, right? 2 2s are 4, then it is not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 4. So here how many factors are there? 1 2 3, 3 factors are there, so it is not a prime number. Understood? You should have only 2 factors, then only we can say that is prime number. Which is not, if you have more than 2 factors, then it is not a prime number. What and all will be the prime number? One we cannot say take it as prime number. They have mentioned in the definition it other than 1, except 1. So let me start with 2. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 4 is not a prime number. What about 5? 5 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and 5 only. Then 6 not cannot, because 6 is divisible by which and all? 6 is divisible by 1, 2 it is divisible, with 3 also it is divisible, and 6. So 4 factors is there, so 6 is not a prime number. Then what will be prime number? 7 will be prime number, like that it goes on. Then 11, 13, etc. Next, composite numbers. So what is composite numbers? Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. So a number which has more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Here 4 has 3, right? So it is 3 factors, so it is more than 2, so this is not prime. So what is it is called? It is called composite. Here 6 is also, this is more than 2, this is not prime, but what you call it as? This 6 is called as composite number. Understood? Same way, if you take 8 example, in which and all it is divisible? It is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8, right? So 4 factors are there, so this is a composite number. So which has more than 2 factors, it is called composite numbers. Prime number means only 2 factors should be there, and composite number more than 2. So other than prime numbers are called composite numbers, but not 1. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. So here 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number, because what are the factors of 1? 1 is divisible by only 1. So here only one factor is there. Only one factor is there. What do we mean by prime number? Prime number, it should have two factors, right? One and the number itself. Here only one factor. And what is composite? More than two factor. Here only one factor is there, no? So we can say that 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. So other than 1 and prime number, rest of the numbers are composite numbers. Understood? Other than 1 and prime number, rest of the numbers are composite numbers. Now let us answer some questions. What is the greatest prime numbers between 1 and 2? So between 1 and 2, greatest prime number you have to find. So from between 1 and 2, what are the prime numbers? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime, 5, then 7, then 8 is not, 9 is also not, 10 is also not. So these are the prime numbers between 1 and 10. These are the prime numbers between 1 and 10. And in this, which is the greater? 7, right? So answer is 7 is the greatest prime number. Understood? So 7 becomes the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. Next, observe these numbers. What type of numbers are these? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are all multiples of 2, right? These are all multiples of 2. It all comes in the table of 2, right? So these multiples of 2 numbers are also called as even numbers. So these are the even numbers. I hope you all are familiar with even numbers, but still will recall it. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Multiples of 2 are called even numbers. So these are called even numbers. And what is odd numbers? The rest of the numbers which are that other than these numbers. So before 2 is what? 1, then 2 after 3, 4, then 5, 6 after 7. So rest in this between numbers will be there, no? That will be the rest numbers, right? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. are called odd numbers. I hope you all are known this even and odd numbers. So odd numbers and even numbers. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Multiples of 2. Odd numbers are rest other than multiples of 2 are odd numbers. Let us answer one more question. What is the sum of any two odd numbers? So what you have to say here, if you add any two odd numbers, what will be this sum? Answer. Sum means what you have to do? Add. So after adding you will get one answer, right? What is that? Odd number or even number? You have to find it. We'll answer this using examples. Okay, let me we have to take odd number, right? Let me take odd number 1 and odd number 3. So sum means you have to add it. 1 plus 3, these two 1 and 3 are odd numbers, right? 1 plus 3 is 4. What you get? Even number. Again only one, no? We'll take one more example and see what we will be getting. Let me take what? 9. 9 is an odd number, right? Then let me take 13. 13 is also odd number. So 13 plus 9, how much? 22. 22. Again it is an even number. So when you add any two odd numbers, the answer will be, sum will be even number. So the answer, the sum of any two odd numbers is is an even number. Students, take down some homework questions. What is the sum of any two even numbers? Same way you have to prove what I have proved one in this video. Second one, which of the following numbers are prime? In these four options they have given 23, 51. This is 51, 37, 26. In this which and all are prime you have to select. Fill in the blanks. One is neither dash nor dash. A number which has only two factors is called dash. A number which has more than two factors is called dash. The smallest even number is dash. Solve this question, answer these questions in your homework book. Thank you.